Look at that.
A Japanese knife. Off the CCC, baby. Not bad. Oh, you're on me. Yeah, I'm touching your stuff. I'm right here. That's not bad. Phew. Oh, right there, just didn't come off. Raja. Off the CCC, baby. Off the CCC. Nice one. Nice bugga. Well, I only had like 23% on my GoPro this morning when I checked. Forgot to charge it, and I forgot my batteries. So at least I still was able to get some footage. But other than that, we're going home. I did get a gift, a really special gift, all the way from Japan. So we go open them, we go look at them and smell them and maybe cut the fish, but I feel like I'm not worthy yet. So I see you guys then, maybe after I power work. Get the meat nice. And solid. I don't know what to say, but thank you, fish, for everything. I won't clean this up. I'll open my knife later. I think this fish is too big. I think the bone's gonna bust them out. But clean this up, and I don't know, maybe just cook something super simple tonight. Keep the video short, cause making some movies lately. Yes, sir. There she is, bro. Oh, my hand cramping. Ugh. Baba. So. Good boy. Got a nice slab of meat. We're gonna just sear this bugga and that's dinner. This is the only thing you need. This, shoyu and rice. And one fish. After you pow fry, gonna look like this. Just kidding. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Now, all you gotta do, just add some soy sauce, and that's dinner. Roger. I'm ready. May we? How's that? Raja Daja? Mm-hmm. Alright. Simple dinner. And I'll open my knife. What is that though?
My leftovers.
Oh. Tsukiji Masamoto. This knife was purchased at one of the stores at the Tsukiji fish market. And let's open this bad boy. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is a santoku. Hold up, I'll do my research. Honesuki. And I wanted one of these smaller knives because I don't really deal with big fish like that. But really I wanted one small knife to deal with smaller fish and filleting. This is a chicken boning knife, but a lot of videos I watch, they use this for fish too, smaller fish. This knife was around 150 bucks, and I had it for a while. I was just too scared to open it, and I want to open this beautiful thing if it's not rusty. From braddah, dakine. To open a knife, you need a knife. I'm scared. Look at that. Can't go wrong with Japanese wrapping. They do it so good. Ooh. Ooh. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, buddy. That looks crazy. Oh, still going. Oh, yeah, almost. Still going. There you go. Yo! There she is. That's what I wanted. Dang, oh, this is sick. This is the one. Oh, this thing's beautiful. I'm too scared to use them. Wow. Wow, wow, caught a bow. Woo! Exactly. Look, someone's screaming over there. Look at that beauty. This feels crazy. I feel like a warrior. Nice knife, man. Arigatou gozaimasu.